We got some more snow today. This is a look back at our gardens in the fall before the snow. I think every year we get surprised when we get our first snowfall. This is obviously a little dusting and it melted within hours, but it really is beautiful with the fall colors. And the chickens don't mind it. Let's take a look at my new bed here where I have some tomatoes and peppers and some squash. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be collecting any of this stuff. It will be going into my compost because it's too cold out here, but I will be collecting these peppers. I will not let those go to waste. If only we had more time, I would have had one more squash here. I wanted to wait to clean the garden out until the last minute, and obviously I waited too long. So I'm gonna run outside here and grab all of those peppers, and this is lovely weather to do so. Look at all these peppers. We will be putting them in our freezer. You know what? I really don't know all of the different varieties. I know we had sriracha, jalapeno, serrano. That's about all I can remember. We ended up using these all winter. We still have a ton in our freezer. So if you're growing peppers and you don't know what to do with all of them, just put them in your freezer and that will extend their life. So here's a look at kind of like another final harvest basket. Right before the snow, we also harvested our sunchokes. They're like a root vegetable that you dig up, like a tuber, and you get a beautiful flower from it. So I brought these inside. They were really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was from a while ago, but sometimes I don't get to uploading everything. So until next time.